Hey everyone, if you're listening to this, you're probably an Acumatica consultant, just like me. And
Probably.
yeah, and I bet you're always looking for like clever ways to solve those
Oh, yeah.
those tough problems that pop up in Acumatica, right?
Okay.
So today we're gonna dive into
I'm
one of
gonna-
those like really annoying ones that we all hate, reversing a ton of general ledger transactions, like
Ugh, ooh.
yeah,
Oh,
manually.
worst.
It's like a total nightmare.
It
But
is.
don't worry, because we found this awesome solution from a real expert.
This is a good one.
Her name is Krishna Shyamala, and she's a functional consultant at Tiana Solutions.
And she knows her stuff.
Oh, she does.
Like, seriously.
She's been doing this for 5 years, and she's like solved over 50 different Acumatica challenges. So
Wow.
we know we're in good hands.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
And for those who don't know, Tiana Solutions, they're like the biggest Acumatica services partner out there. So
Ubiquitous. Yeah.
they really know what they're doing.
Hmm.
So, okay, let's get into it. So you've probably dealt with this before, right?
No.
Reversing a ton of GL transactions manually.
Way too many times.
So, like, why is that such a pain?
Well, I mean, you literally have to reverse each transaction one by one. It takes forever, and it's so easy to make a mistake. Like, you enter the wrong number, the wrong date, and then you've got a bigger mess than you started with.
Oh, yeah, totally. It's like a recipe for disaster.
Exactly.
So, how did Krishna, like, crack the code on this? What's her secret weapon?
Well, she's really smart about using Acumatica's own tools, right?
Yeah.
So she combines a data provider, an import scenario, and then targeted actions to kind of like automate the whole process.
Okay, break that down for me. Like, what's a data provider in this context?
So basically, it acts as a bridge to pull in data from like outside sources.
Oh, okay.
So like imagine you have a spreadsheet with all the transactions you need to reverse, right?
Yep.
The data provider brings that info into Acumatica.
Gotcha. Okay, so it's like the fetch command.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, and what about the import scenario? What's that all about?
So the import scenario is where you tell Acumatica how to process that data, like how to map it to the right fields, how to handle any errors, stuff like that.
Okay, so it's like setting the rules of the game.
Exactly.
And then finally, the targeted actions, right?
Right. Those are the steps that actually do the reversing automatically.
So it's like she's built a robot with an Acumatica to do the grunt work for her.
Exactly. Like a little automated assistant.
I love it. That's so cool.
Right.
And you know what's even cooler? She shows you exactly how to set it all up in the video.
Oh, yeah.
Like step by step.
Mm-hmm.
So you can literally see how she uses the different screens and configurations in Acumatica.
Yep, it's awesome.
It's like watching a master class, you know?
Really?
And it really shows you like what's possible when you have that deep understanding of Acumatica.
For sure. For sure.
Because I'm always amazed by how powerful this platform is, you know? Wow.
Oh, absolutely.
It's just crazy the things you can do if you know the right tricks.
It's like a secret language almost.
It kind of is, yeah.
And that's why Tiana Solutions is so great.
Yeah.
You have a whole team of experts like Krishna,
Oh, nice.
who like live and breathe Acumatica.
Wow. So thinking bigger picture here.
Mm-hmm.
If this one problem that we all hate can be solved like this,
Yeah.
what other time-consuming processes could we be streamlining in Acumatica, you know?
Right, right.
It makes you think.
It really does.
So if you're wrestling with any Acumatica challenges, big or small,
Yeah, don't struggle alone.
reach out to Tiana Solutions.
They can help.
They're the experts.
They are.
Give them a call at 678-910-2774
There you go.
and see how they can like totally transform your Acumatica world, you know?
Optimize everything.
Optimize everything, exactly.
Love it.
All right, that's all for today's deep dive.
Thanks for listening, everybody.
See you next time.
Bye.